Hello guys, it is Stock Lock Sunday and today I will pick this car lock. But first I have to find out if it's clockwise or counterclockwise, so we have to pick it both ways and see which is working. And oh, that is not wrong way, sorry, there we go. There we go. Then I just have to get my car picks, and that is a tension wrench. We need the fin ends there, and some picks. Let's start with this doubled one. And whoa, easy now. Well, that is probably okay. And let's start clockwise and see if it opens that way. And it apparently did. Cool. I can't just force it around. Let's try the other way just to be sure. Okay, so this can be picked both ways. Well, that is cool. Haha. Right, well, that was a quick one, my friends. But it worked. So that was a short Stock Lock Sunday video. So hope you all have a great Sunday, my friends. Have a good day.